Hello my friends, in today's sneaky day trip myself and Richard have come out to Tanygrisiau and we are walking towards Ddualt, I hope I pronounce it right, which follows the Bleanau railway, and you've just seen a steam train, so hopefully we'll get the drones up. It's a little bit breezy but it's okay, fingers crossed anyway, we'll soon find out. Right, I'll let you get on and enjoy the video. That thumbs up will be very much appreciated. Some nice bluebells dotted on the slopes there. As I turn around, the path we want to walk is this one here. But this was the old railway route. I don't know if you can see in the distance sort of over there, there is a tunnel. And the trains used to come this way and out over there, but they've rerouted now because this is Tanygrisiau Lake for the power station. Anyway, let's get on again. This is the old railway. The other one is right behind us. Richard's just talking over there, you might be able to work out and hear him. But yeah, the old embankment, lovely. So now we're just exploring this embankment that I just shown you earlier, because at the end of it would be the old tunnel, which is filled in at the other side due to the reservoir, Tanygrisiau. I'll get back to you when we get near the tunnel. Right, so can't get any closer because of the bogginess underfoot, but I think we'll get the drone up and see if that will have a better view for you. Okay, so we've just come back to the embankment where the old railway used to go. What you're looking at here now is the old tunnel. Very difficult to pick out because it's in the shade and it's actually overgrown. But as I'm going to rise the drone up, as you've just seen now, the landscape behind it is very pretty as you're looking towards Blaenau on the quarries of Maentwrog and Blaenau. So I'll turn the drone round, fly back what would be above the tunnel and along the old embankment, as you can see. Really is a beautiful landscape though. Right, back to the video. Okay, so we just arrived at the Ddualt loop. You can see the different train rails, tracks, and the actual station down here, which is a request stop. So if anybody wanted to get in or out of the train, you just signal to the driver and he will stop. Let's see a bit closer. There we go, that's how you spell it. I don't know if you pronounce it right, but that's the actual request stop station. There's a close-up, as I said we would, of this. What looks like it's holding ash. Okay, so we just left Ddualt station. Hope you've enjoyed the video. We're just coming through this little pasture cluster of bluebells, beautiful. And the sunlight's hitting it, which just makes them stand out. Beautiful place. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thumbs up would be really smashing. Thank you very much indeed, and hope to see you next time. Take it easy. Bye.